Hey, Stinger here. Welcome to part 2 of my McDonald's Happy Meal Transformer Prime vehicles. The second 4, we have Optimus Prime. You know, not too impressive when you first look at him. I mean, he doesn't have any flames. Basic red and blue. But unlike any of the first 4 that I did, he does have this switch on the bottom, which means we have electronics. I'm going to turn it on. We are going to pull his smokestacks down and he lights up. And look at that. The Autobot symbol on the front is glowing red, along with the cab. I don't know how good you can see it on the camera, but I mean, that's pretty cool. Kind of looks like it's coming through the headlights, but the cab is lit up. The Autobot symbol's really lit up, and that's a pretty cool gimmick. Put this smokestacks back up and it turns off, so that's real cool. So next we'll have Bulkhead, all green. Does have a little bit of gray, but as far as this gimmick goes, they're going to give you 3 of these discs, cardboard. Got an Autobot symbol on the one side, Transformers Prime on the other side. You're going to put that, slide that in the front, and when you pull back on his roof like so, he shoots out. And it's just a one-click shot. Good, you can see it. But yeah, that's Bulkhead. They all roll real nice. Bumblebee has a good paint app on there. It's got the red Autobot on the top, a little gray scoop engine, whatever you want to call it, gray grill. His back tires are bigger than his front tires. It's kind of cool. Rolls real good. And we're going to pop his roof up, and bang, he is going to shoot the missile. Boom. So he's a shooter. Boom. Nice shot there. Boom. So that's Bumblebee. And then we got Lord Megatron. He's nice. I mean, they always do good on Megatron for some reason. Maybe just because of his purple colors are cool. So he's purple and gray, and he will shoot you. Boom! He's got the piece on the bottom. Plug it in there. And he also has a switch. What? Yes, he does. And when it's his switch, we're going to turn him on. And he has a green light. Let's see if I can get that a little better for you. It is green. I don't know if you can see it, but... And that's Meg's. Pretty cool. I mean, he has a shooting weapon and a light. So there they are. Let's move them in. Let's see if I can get them all in one picture here. There they are. McDonald's Happy Meal Toys 2012. That's a nice set. Comment, subscribe, and there they are.